Another like new ride at the Trading Post, guys. 2014 top of the line Lexus RX 350 with the luxury package. The luxury package consists of 19-inch wheels, heated seats, cooled seats, backup camera, backup sensors, power lift gate, and rear towing package. Blind spot monitoring. Let's look on the inside. It's just as new on the inside, guys. Check this out, light gray leather interior. It's got the sunroof on top. The rear has never been used. Look at that. We've got it, Conover location, just over 100,000 miles, but guys, it would pass for 50,000 miles. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all, no problem at the Trading Post. We can get you approved. Check out my website, tradingpostcars.com, to apply. Put in your down payment information and we'll go to work for you. A like new 2014 above average new RX 350 with the luxury package. You won't find more with more options, guys. Trading Post is family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome cars, fantastic Lexus RX 350. You will be impressed. Call us. It's not going to last. 828-464-0600. Or again, apply online, tradingpostcars.com. Get it before it's gone. You're going to love it here, and you're going to love my Lexus.